The world is asking one question. Why did I attack the United States? The United States has had the world in a constant state of war for over 100 years. Time and again, we have seen the catastrophic results of this belligerent, militaristic policy. These wars
Sentinel 2-1, approaching APC Romeo Victor Nort at Angels 5.
Roger that. Maintain low-level flight from there to New Baghdad. Kingpin out.
Sentinel flight. Fence in. Engage anything that doesn't have a Sentinel beacon. 3 bandits ahead. 12 o'clock low. Time to start bumping heads.
Ambush, bearing 315. I'm being painted.
Mitchell, watch your wings. Watch those tracers. Mitchell, stay in the canyon.
That was close. More bandits coming over the ridge at 2 o'clock.
Tap 'em. Mitchell, keep your head down.
Thanks for the cover fire. You saved my tail.
Black ahead.
Stay below it. We'll use your blower to power past. Mitchell, watch that flag. Steer clear.
Phalanx drones ahead. Target destroyed. 4 birds merging in at 12 o'clock.
Engage at will. Mitchell, stay low. Past ACP-4, heading to ACP-5. I'll take the right canyon.
There! Taking the left. Watch your 6, Mitchell. Not fall ahead.
Watch for debris. Mitchell, keep to 2,000 AGL or less.
Watch your head, Mitchell. Approaching hydroelectric dam.
Lock onto those hard points and hit them with your missiles. Right head. Watch out for the debris. Find it, closing in on your 6, Mitchell. Watch your tail, Mitchell.
Bridge out ahead.
Mitchell, watch your wings. Heavy debris, facing maneuvers.
12 o'clock. 4 bandits, lane 6.
Crossing ACP-5.
Coming back around. 6 o'clock hot. Target destroyed.
Getting closer, use your guns.
Coming back around. 6 o'clock hot. That was close.
Getting closer, use your guns.
5,000 miles to the right. I got this one.
I'm on him.
That one's mine.
Stay focused. We're almost through this. Come on, this is Sentinel 01.